To secure the bottom lashes in place, make sure to use lint-free gel pads made for eyelash extensions.
Using two hands, hold the gel pad with your index fingers and thumbs. To better angle the lower lashes, use the middle finger to gently press the cheek.
Secure the inner corner first and then the outer corner. Repeat this on the other eye.
So here, we're just using Nexcare tape cut into thin strips to secure the remaining baby lashes. And again, you want to hold the tape with your index fingers and thumbs.
Slowly lower the tape to the lash line. You're going to place 2 strips on each eye to create a V shape.
And you're going to repeat this again on the other eye. If the gel pad is too close to the lash line, lift the corners and reposition accordingly.